buddy. You want to look right there and say, they got me.
In August 2024, Arkansas State Police were involved in a dramatic pursuit of a stolen motorcoach bus that spanned multiple highways and ended in a Union Pacific rail yard. The driver, 29-year-old Elvin Richard, led troopers on a chaotic chase before being brought to a stop.
Unsuccessful hit.
Are y'all on Provo yet or not?
We're on Provo Sonic. It's definitely 151.
I'm coming up on Provo now. I'm trying to get in front of it.
Alright, hey, go keep the next clear, okay? Black man right here, looks like we're locked in. We're going, westbound.
Move into. See you west bound to where we are. We're continuing. We are back by some large storage tanks coming into a employee parking lot. I don't see any. He's about to get stuck on the track. He's trying over the track.
We've got 2 tires that have been shot out. 2 tires shot out.
Sergeant Gabe Monroe disabled the bus by shooting its tires, ending the pursuit without injuries. Richard was taken into custody and now faces a long list of charges, including theft, burglary, and fleeing. The Little Rock Police Department continues to investigate the initial theft, while the Pulaski County prosecutor has cleared Sergeant Monroe of any wrongdoing in his use of force.
I got it.
On November 12, 2024, what started as a routine traffic stop quickly turned into a dangerous pursuit on Interstate 440. The driver, later identified as Michael Lewis Jr., was caught using his phone while driving but decided to flee the scene, setting off a chaotic chain of events.
They hit on both. Okay. Light traffic. College Street, 65, light traffic.
Passing College Street, 65, light traffic. Number 312, boys,
Wrecked out at Wheel Rock Street.
copy right now, and we want to
Driver, show me your hands.
Little Rock.
Keep your hands up. You're gonna get shot. Get your hands out the fucking window. Get your fucking hands out the window where I can see them.
He's rolled up.
Oh yeah, souls, huh?
I'll take right up the front of your car.
All right. We're souls. You driving like that? And we're assholes. Yeah.
When all these people are rich out here.
Shut up, dude. Lean across the car.
You gotta throw me down. I'm leaning. I'm cooperating, bro.
How do we wind up here from over there? Explain that to me. Explain it to me.
Y'all chasing me for no reason.
No reason. We're about to see. Chasing you. We're chasing you for no reason.
Yeah.
Why you running? What's that? What's that?
My fucking pain medicine.
Yeah,
What
that's
the
your name
fuck?
on it. Hey, buddy, you want to look right there and say they got me?
So how you doing? I'm gonna take you.
Look at the kids. They want to be state troopers, so they chase you too.
Yeah, I'm putting back of mine.
You should be embarrassed, dude.
Right here.
We didn't even have to hit you, dude. You hit yourself. Non-driving.
The chase ended after Lewis lost control and rolled his vehicle, leading to his arrest. Officers discovered cash, drugs, and paraphernalia, along with an open container of alcohol in the car. Lewis now faces a long list of charges, including drug possession, tampering with evidence, and fleeing, in addition to multiple outstanding felony warrants. A bold attempt to evade justice brought to a definitive end. On December 13th, 2024, a routine traffic stop turned into a pursuit on Interstate 40 when a driver refused to pull over for Van Buren police. What followed was a tense chase, with officers working together to bring the situation under control. Let's see how it all unfolded.
County 6 trying to come behind you. Still one, wave again, between us. Right here, I got traffic. Alright, TBI, before the scale.
TBI, before the scale.
10-1, CVR, just before the scale.
Oh, get out of the car! Get out of the freaking car! Alright, got this side.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Okay. We'll get it figured out.
Oh,
Here, the problem is you're not stopping.
I'm sorry, sir.
Do you not see blue lights behind you?
I'm sorry, sir. Oh, I don't know.
Break it down.
The chase ended with a tactical vehicle intervention that brought the fleeing car to a stop. Thanks to quick action and teamwork, the suspect was safely taken into custody and transported to the Crawford County Detention Center. Another successful effort by law enforcement to keep our roads safe.
I'm sorry, sir.
No, get up.
On December 21st, 2024, a theft at a GameStop in West Memphis, Arkansas, escalated into a high-speed chase when suspects fled in a white Nissan Maxima. What followed was a dangerous pursuit through residential streets, putting lives at risk.
Coming up to MLK. I'll be with you in a minute, boy.
Hey, I see them piled up there in the windshield. They ain't moving.
If you can hear me, climb out of the car with your hands up.
I'm saying you can see some hands. These hands in the back of the
Hey, Gunner, let's move up to that tree so we can look down in. Hey guys, we're gonna go to that tree. Watch crossfire.
Climb out the back glass. Climb out the back window with your hands up.
Show me some hands. All right, crawl out. Do it slowly. Crawl out. Do it slowly. If you don't do exactly what we tell you, you will be dog bit.
Okay, now what you want me to do now, son?
Keep crawling out. Keep crawling out. You're doing great. Come on. Keep crawling out. When you hit the ground, just go to your knees. Stand up, turn around, face away from me. Stand up and face away from me. Face your car. Stand up. I don't care. The car you just got out of. Don't be a smart ass. Walk backwards to the sound of my voice. Do it now.
Anybody else in there?
Okay. Walk backwards. Keep coming.
The chase ended with a tactical vehicle intervention and all three suspects were taken into custody. Over $2,600 worth of stolen merchandise was recovered. The driver now faces multiple charges, including theft and reckless driving, while the passengers are charged with theft and possession of drug paraphernalia. Another successful operation by law enforcement to bring criminals to justice. On December 10th, 2024, a routine patrol on Highway 67 turned into a high-speed pursuit when a trooper attempted to stop a white Dodge Challenger. The driver, identified as Dontarius Gordon, refused to pull over, leading officers on a dangerous chase reaching speeds of 126 miles per hour.
Hands right now, hands! Don't run! One on foot. Come here! Say police!
The chase ended after a successful tactical vehicle intervention caused Gordon's car to crash into a cable barrier. Following a foot pursuit and brief struggle, Gordon was apprehended with the help of a passerby. He now faces multiple charges, including fleeing by vehicle, possession of controlled substances, and resisting arrest. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below which clip you liked the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.